Lesson check, gravity and inertia. First, you will type your last name here. Next, you will type your first name here. You will now select your cycle number. Number 1. The force that keeps Earth in orbit around the Sun and you from flying off into space is known as mass, gravity, or inertia. Number 2. In the 1600s, a scientist by the name of Sir Isaac Newton hypothesized the same force that keeps the Earth in orbit around the Sun is the same force that pulls an apple to the ground. Is that true or false? Number 3. The law of universal gravitation states that every object in the universe is attracted to other objects in the universe, or only objects that are large in mass attract other objects. Number 4. Mass is the amount of matter in an object or the force of gravity acting on an object. Number 5. Weight is the amount of matter in an object or the measure of the force of gravity acting on an object. Number 6. On the moon, you would weigh about 1/6 your weight on Earth because the moon has less mass. Is that true or false? Number 7. The strength of the force of gravity depends on which two factors, gravity and inertia, or mass and distance? Number 8. Which two factors combined to determine a planet's orbit? Gravity and inertia, or mass and distance? Number 9. The tendency of an object to resist a change in motion is known as mass, gravity, or inertia. Number 10. If the Earth were larger, which means had more mass, then the strength of its force of gravity on the moon would increase or decrease?